Dun dun. Hey guys, welcome to Phone Browser, and today I bring you two device for you, and this is the OPPO A3Pro 5G, and for this model it's a super durable device and it's passed the IP69, IP68 and IP66 full grade waterproof test. So it's have a very fashion design, but actually it's have a very amazing waterproof. So yes, today we got two colors, and the light blue and also the dark blue edition, and also is get a leather material back panel. So this one is a dark blue, and actually it's called the Tianqing, and also the light one is Yuan Shanlan, and also it have a pink color. So here the specification about the device. Powered by Dimensity MediaTek 7050 processor, support LPDDR4X and UFS 3.1, and it get a 6.7-inch 2412 1080 display resolution, OLED punch screen, and front camera 8 megapixel and rear camera 34 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and also get a 5000 mAh big battery with 67 watt fast charging. And also this time is powered by the Brino. It's both AI functions, so you can wake up with some command, and also you can use this to create a tour guide or something else, and it's very nice, convenient, and also it have some special and convenient features. And it's a display. It's a 120 Hz refresh rate screen supported. And besides the waterproof test, it also passed the Switzerland SGS drop-proof test, and the OPPO special glass is super durable, and it can also pass the national military standard crash test. And here's the dark blue leather material combined with the special glass, and for the light blue it's the pure glass and more shining. So which one maybe you like, you can let me know. And also you have a circled round camera zoom. And for me, the device between these two devices is very similar, just the weight. For the glass one is 182 gram, but for the dark blue is 177, and the thickness of the dark blue is 7.89, and for the light blue is 7.53. So we can find, if we compare with the foldable device, actually it's just like the status is not folded, so it's very light and super slim and thin. Yeah, so it's very light and can get very good hands-on feelings. But it's actually passed the IP68 waterproof test and IP69 hot water test, and also it's supported the IP66 spray high pressure test. So this is very nice because it's used a diamond framework from OPPO, its own developer technology. And also the battery is 5000, so it's very thin, but it's got a 5000 batteries and with 67 watt fast charging. And normally within 45 minutes you can fully charge it, and if you charge 5 minutes you get 2 hours standby time. So this is pretty cool. For screen, it also support on-screen fingerprint. Yeah, very nice. So it's a super durable drop test and waterproof phones in the market. And actually, for the design appearance, it looks so different compared to larger phones. And we can have a very simple camera test about the device. And I will put some pictures at the end of the video, so you can check the camera performance as well from my video. For 64 megapixel is a aperture 1.7, hold autofocus but not supported OIS. But for the real portrait 2 megapixel is aperture 2.4, and it's a sweepy lens, not autofocus. Yeah, this is the zoom performance about the videos. So we can test it also the zoom performance in the video mode. And here are the more features about the camera. You can use it. Night mode, extra HD, and so on. So yes, thanks for watching my quick and fast hands-on and simple test video. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool catch from here. This is the OPPO A3 Pro 5G device. Let me know which one you like. Bye bye. More pictures. Enjoy it.